Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets mobile app. So this is a beginner guide. If you want to use Google Sheets mobile app for the first time, you can open your Google Chrome and tap the 9 dots at the top of your screen. Here, this is the apps that Google provide on Chrome. Try to search Google Sheets. Here we go. But before that, don't forget to log in or sign in on your Google account first. Tap Sheets here. And here we go. This is the Google Sheets. So you can tap on file or spreadsheet that you want to edit. Here we go. This is the Google Sheets that you can try to work on mobile phone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.